Today in this video I show you how to blur a part of a video in Capcut. For this you have to open Capcut app. Now you have to click on new project, select the video you want. Now click on add. Now click on overlay and then click on add overlay. Select the same video again and click on add. Now slide this to find effects. Click on effects and then open video effects. Now slide this to find lens and click on it. Now you have to find blur effect and then apply it on your video. Click on checkmark icon. You can see blur effect is applied. Go back and then slide this to find mask. Click on it. Now select rectangle and then adjust your rectangle blur to put this on the part of the video you want to blur. Like I want to blur this text, I will put on this blur on my text or channel name, and then I will click on this keyframe so that my moving text will get blurred according to the video. Now slide video timeline to put another keyframe because you can see now my text is getting out of this rectangle blur. Adjust rectangle blur size. Now I will put 2 more keyframes to show you how you can blur a moving part in a video using Capcut. Now as you can see, if I play the video, my moving text is getting blurred according to the video. So this is how you can blur a part of a video in Capcut. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.